Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I finished this sweet little book that started out as a challenge to myself to use up a paper pack from the Dollar Tree. We've talked about these paper packs before. I had not seen them until recently. I didn't notice them until recently, so maybe you have or haven't noticed them. Anyway, I challenged myself to use only the paper in the paper pack, make a little journal, and then I was inspired by these butterfly stickers. Some of them are dragonflies too. Let's see here. There's one that's more like a dragonfly. But it was a nice little set of stickers. I love that they look metallic and steampunk. There was a smallish piece of this silver glitter paper, and I used all of that. What I did though was challenge myself as well to build up these pages just around words from book pages. Just scour the pages, and when a phrase or a word jumps out at you, cut it out and put it on the page and build your artwork around it. Or create your artwork and then go through the book pages and find words that you say, oh, that's what she could be thinking, or that's what that could be describing. The news was surprising, but not so surprising. And I love this little tiny envelope with the glittery butterflies coming out. And of course, that was from an ink stamp. I think you've already seen that. And then here is another page. You don't get to say when or how, all the little butterflies. I don't think you've seen this one. I've continued to work through the rest of the book since I last made a video. Looking down at a little sprig, and we have just a die cut here, and then once again, butterflies punched out, and I used some of this greenish blue paper in the pack to make grass. And Kim, I used that ruler you gave me to tear the paper. I love that thing. That does a great job. It's amazing. And then here we have just these little words, the rain stopped. And these butterflies, I don't know if you can tell, but I doubled up pink underneath and then more of the glitter paper that I punched out using my butterfly stamp. And then we've got a little birdie told me. And since it said the rain stopped, I just put some splatters at the bottom of the page to look like waters jumping up off the ground, maybe if the little bird's jumping around. And then this page, I used some of this glitter paper where I had cut the butterflies out to make a little crown. And that's just a quick drawing with a pen and some of the Caran d'Ache color for her cheeks and her lips. And cut the words out. There's a clatter of wings, and then look up. And I've put one of the dragonflies here. And then this page, oh, so I love this. There was some plain white paper in the pack. So what I did was just take some watercolor paint and paint it, all different colors, let that dry, and a light amount of paint, just a really pastel wash of the different colors and let it run together. Made another little envelope using my punch and glued, again, butterflies everywhere, just coming out and going all across the pages. I can't decide if I want to I feel like that needs a line around it. Now it was clearer than ever. Kind of makes the words jump out. There we go. And then this page, we have some of the green, blue, metallic butterflies cut out here, and I put another sticker here. I dreamed of slipping through to somewhere else. And then on this page, I used one of my flower die cuts, and I used an ink stamp to stamp a white butterfly. And then I came back with some gold paint to just touch it up, and used a wax seal here with a flower stamp. And I had found the words, the wings of the white butterfly. So this is a page where I found the words before I actually decided what to put on the page. And then at the back, we've got my stamp. I'll probably put the date on it. And I used my other little fun stamp that says, this is an individually crafted work of art. Any smudges, splotches, or other irregularities are intentional and do not diminish the quality of this piece in any way. I really like that. I think I may make some of these up and have them for sale in my shop if you want to order them in bulk and be able to put them on your artwork. That's a thought. I really want to do it. We will see if I can get to that. But there's this little journal, and let me show you what I did. I took the rest of the supplies, and so each pack, I've got 6 of these. if you want to make your own tiny little journal. Some of the packs do have dragonflies. There weren't enough of this kind of butterfly just to go around. You can see all of the stickers were sort of different. I went ahead and punched out 2 little baby envelopes. There's a piece of the green metallic paper. Here is a journal. So each pack has got a journal already made. The pages were different sizes. So we've got this size and one that is the same height almost, but it's a little bit more narrow. So I will put an option in there and put narrow or wider, or I'll put the length or whatever, and you can choose which one. That'll be in the shop. So each one has a journal that I've tied them all. They've each got 4 folded pieces, so it's the exact same size as this. And then a piece of this paper, a piece of the brown metallic, and then I put a strip where I had been cutting out the butterflies, just in case you want to make some sort of crown like she's got here. I basically just took one of these and then cut the little notches across the top. And of course the sparkly is pretty, but you could put your glitter glue or whatever. And then we've got a piece of plain white paper and 10 book pages for you to take words from. And then in here, I cut out quite a few little butterflies for each pack. I want to say it's 5 to 6 of the greenish blue, this burgundy, the pink, and then the watercolor paper that I did. So quite a few little butterflies there. And that's in this pretty little envelope from Papyrus. Kind of a shimmer. You could use that too. Anyway, these are going to be in the shop. I have 6 of these. I did want to share this with you and Stacy. I cut out these little triangles of the shiny paper to put at the corners, and I love that. And Kim, I think you were right about just leaving the one silver butterfly. I really like the way that turned out. Just really sweet. This is going to be in the shop too, by the way. Even though this is small, I did spend a lot of time in this, and you know, anytime you purchase something, you're really helping to support the shop and the business and the channel and the content. So I'm going to go. I've got some wonderful Christmas packs that I'm about to list on Etsy, and I'll be back with another art video really soon. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye for now.